Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the Royale High on your phone, guys. This is super insane and it is fully working. So what this is going to do, guys, is give you unlimited resources in the Royale High. So let me just show you guys right here. As you can see, I'm so rich with this method, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. And it is fully working, guys. So if you do play Royale High and you want to get rich, keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly the download. Guys, so as you can see, I got Royale High mod right here, so we're just going to open this up and bang, bang, bang. See my money right there? Well, watch when I press on this button. As you can see, it says add 1 million diamonds, activate paintbrush. So I'm going to press activate right here, and let's see, they're going to go up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download. This is super insane, guys, and it fully works. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rich in the Royale High. As you can see, look at that. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this website called ZooMods, and once we're here, guys, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in Royale High, and as you can see, it says Royale High mod, so just press on that. And if you got like a decent internet, guys, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to try this out, guys, because it is super insane and it fully works. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As you can see, I got super rich from this, which is super cool. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. It's pretty crazy. It was totally updated for me. It fully works. You just got to go to ZooMods and you're going to be all set, guys. So be sure to try it out. All you gotta do is go ahead and hop on down to this website and then go to the search bar and type in Royale High. So as you can see, there it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but be sure to try this out for yourself. It is super insane and it is fully working. So yeah, it's pretty cool. As you can see, it is downloading right here. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. It's pretty cool. And yeah, I mean, as you can see right here, I got so rich from this method, which is pretty cool. So yeah, it's pretty wild, honestly, actually updated and everything like that. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super insane, fully working. I'll see you guys in another video. Get the word out about this tutorial, and peace out.